Mo ń rìkọ́dù wọn. Mo ń rìkọ́dù wọn. Abẹ́rẹ́. Jésù. Èwo ni eléyìí? Abẹ́rẹ́ díẹ̀ níwájú ilé mi báyìí o. This is miracle worker. Abẹ́rẹ́. Dáàdì sọ mi. Jésù. Àwọn èèyàn ò ní believe well. Ẹ̀yà fọ́tò èmi ń rìkọ́dù. Ẹ̀yin náà.
Rìkọ́dù ni èmi ẹ̀yà fọ́tò.
Jésù. Èwo lélẹ̀ mi ti ẹ̀rí dé white rí. Eléyìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ò abẹ́ẹ̀rí o, mo gbàlejò o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, I get guests o, they came to this is it o, I have to show you this o.
Wọ́n gbọ́ ariwo bẹ̀tẹ̀ ọ̀kan.
Ẹ̀yin ẹ̀yà fọ́tò wọn, àwọn ń gbọ́rọ̀ wá. Eléyìí miracle of the morning ni o. Abẹ́ẹ̀rí báyìí. Abẹ́ẹ̀rí dáàdì sọ mi.
Ó ṣe wo.
Ó dẹ̀ rìn lọ majestically náà máa rìn inú iwájú ilé mi o. They are just walking around my house. Wow, I've never seen a white one before. Eléyìí ó ga. Ìkẹta ti ẹ̀dá. Where is the third one?
Wà níbi igi yẹn ti cover.
Wow, look at this. Deer, a white deer. Right by my home, all the way, just in front of my home. Wọ́n kúkú ń gbọ́ sound yẹn, but they still continue. They still continue.
Sound yẹn pé.
Oh my goodness. This is not funny. People, I just have guests too. I get guests too. I don't even know. And they feel so comfortable. Thank you, Jesus. A visitation by a white there. A big white there, and this one is even coming straight to the door. Wow, coming very straight to almost close to my door. Wow, this is not funny. Are you taking a... Oh my goodness, so comfortable. Just munching. Don't eat up that woman's, don't do that. Oh Lord, these people are so hungry. You know, they are being displaced every time. Now the deer is finding its way. It's finding its way near my door and see their baby. Hey, wow. This is one. That's the baby.
Baby.
Okay. That is, yeah. Look at this. Look at this, people.
Baby.
Some guests just in front of my home. This is just unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's making it stay to the door. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. That is on me, Aberi. You look at this. You see, they are marching on. One is by the gate. The white one. They are taking their time. This one is almost at the door. He's almost at the door. Standing by the door. Please, people, I just want to show you. Now it's like they're hearing my voices. They took another turn. Wow, right in front of my home. Can you imagine? It's making it out to catch this thing. Please, Daddy, so me catch the picture. Please, I've never seen anything like this. So I've never seen anything like this. Lord Jesus, I know there is a blessing for this. To see a white one, don't eat up. Ha! I thought they are not even distracted. They are just having their fun. They are having their fun, making majestically near my window, near my... This is not funny. This is not funny. People, this is not funny. Now they took a turn back. Something is telling them they have to turn around. That is something. Sound the honors. Let us see what they will do. The Homa salon. They will. Yeah, I want to conk the home. They will be disturbed. Yeah, 3 of them. Why 3?
Family.
That must be the father, the son,
family.
Family. Oh my! I'm going to share this with you people.
Family of 3.
Early in the morning visitation. What time is this?
Bóyá kí n láti wọ́. Ó lè jẹ́ bí.
This is a good.
This
is a good ride you gave me this morning. That is something. Very good ride, because I wouldn't have been able to see this. That I've never seen in all these years. 31B. This has never happened, and now they are being, they are being displaced. They are being displaced. They are being displaced. People are building homes, and these deers are just finding their way in. But why my own? Please, can anybody tell me? Why are they by my home? Why are they here? Oh my! Yeah, but it's already morning. That is something. I don't know why. Yeah, but the thing about it is, people, I just wanted to show you this. They are already taking. If I get out of the car, they are going to they're going to run, right?
Yep.
They are going to run. This one is getting closer. Oh man, they are hungry. But they came all the way. Why here? Why by my door? It's getting closer to us. Are you coming near us? Mr. Deer. Mr. Deer. Whoa. Thank God, at least I can provide you food. But don't destroy anything, Mr. Deer. Okay. Cracking those, they love those nuts too. Okay. Shaman. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord.
Well,
yeah. I want Baba Tomoda. They are hiding right now. Yeah, the tree is covering them. Yeah. Try láti ṣe horn. That's gonna be fun. A sound on there. Now they think they should go. They're changing their mind. Oh, it's leading. Yeah, this one is leading.
The
white one is hiding by the tree. I don't know. Maybe they will know. They crossed over. Okay. Thank you, Lord. I can. They crossed over. They crossed over. They did cross over.